Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We are joined by Debby British.
Yes, I moved from White Wing for the house them can build up. So me a show now which part me a build up my little tabernacle. Come Dudley.
Alright, we are now following out Debby British along Maho Drive. Going through here to show exactly where she's building her place. Because the demolition of White Wing is just around the corner. So Debby British is building. And here now is a Debby British.
Oh, me auntie, oh.
We are going now.
Yes, this is Debby, look a British thing. What you fixing up now to go into. That's Mr. Andrew only can build my little room for me, my little house for me. Let me know house feel. What is house all about? How to pay the bills, the light bills, the water rate, the cable bills, all bills, all bills. I come like me can't find the key. With the lock. This is the little structure what I'm putting up. And I just taking my time. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna build right here?
Yes, Dudley. Well, I need 5 sheets of plywood because I have to take in a little part. So I did buy 5 sheets. And the 5 sheets what I bought. This is where I put it to put my little kitchen.
Oh, so you're building now?
Yes, darling. So this is where I started. So I have the wall of that side, as you can see. And as you can see in the ceiling, I don't know if you could turn it up, let them see how the ceiling, the condition of the ceiling. So I have to take it down. So you know it's going to take a little more time still, but I just have to do what I'm doing and just doing it as quick as possible.
So you want to go more proactive, trying to relocate before the White Wing started to demolish?
Before the White Wing started to demolish, because me don't want the bulldozer come move me, you know. I don't need the bulldozer to come and let me feel embarrassed. So anybody on Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever it may be, this is Debby British. YouTube people, this is Debby British speaking. I'm trying to help myself, but if anyone out there who could help me, I will appreciate it. You can call Dudley. Dudley is the one who is responsible from me from scratch till now where I am going now. So thank you very much, YouTube people and Mr. Dudley.
Yeah, man. So you're building your place to avoid the demolition job catch you at White Wing.
Right, darling. I don't need it to catch me there.
So she started here, but it's an assistant to finish.
Yes, darling.
As you can see.
Right, darling. Clean up the door there. Watch me, I lock my little lift up door. That's it. Enough work to do, enough work to do. Yes, and thank you very much, YouTube people and all those. This is Debby British original from Roots FM from day one until now. It's gonna be 22 years now since Roots FM have been in my life before my daughter was born. No, 23 this year because she's gonna be 22 September come. So it was, she born the September and it was May was the first anniversary. So from that time until now, I am part of Roots family.
Wow.
Yes, darling, Roots is just mine. Give me the strength. It let me proceed to work and sustain all things in life that I have. So anybody who wish to help Debby British, just please, Mr. Dudley is there, or any one of them, even Sister Isis, anyone who know all Roots FM and they can do anything, they can call Roots FM and they will do it for me. So thank you very much. This is where I'm going.
Alright, you heard it from Debby British, now on Maho Drive. Alright. Alright, Debby British, see you make a start. So hopefully they come and give you a hand so the bulldozer won't catch you at Whiteway.
That's right.
Alright. This is Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Again, feel free to like, share and subscribe. And thanks in advance.